Wow.
Yeah.
So this one is so you can see this bamboo tree. Jadida, she wanted to do something with the bamboo tree. Yeah, so
I'm gonna do it.
so now you see bamboo. Huh?
Baby bamboo.
And wow, this here is beautiful. Now we are going deeper inside of the park.
Why don't
We
you
can,
sit?
yeah, I want to sit here,
You can sit.
and as you can see, it's supernatural. Oh my God! Kama watu jana wangekuja hapa wangefurahi.
Yeah. Me too, ndo ningeumia. Because of my shoes yesterday.
Wow. So you can see yourself. This is natural. This is nature. Woo. Ah. The lake. And huh? And the place.
Yeah.
More, you can go more and more. You drop your money. $1 million. I'm joking, eh? Wow, it's getting dark. Huh?
Yeah.
Are we in the
because of the canopy.
Are we in the right place?
Yes.
Huh?
Are you scared?
It's getting darker.
Let's go this way.
I'm not scared. How can I be scared?
You're scared. Let's go this way.
Now I was asking myself, it's getting darker. We can go deeper there.
Yeah, we
This
go.
one is more.
We'll go. Let's just see.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Garden. Hope's garden.
It's beautiful. Beautiful people. Na, na, na.
Take a picture.
$1 million. You drop. $1 million.
Yeah.
Why is it not coming good? Wow. She's praying, the lady. Twende.